Why day and night occur. Have you ever wondered why one part of the Earth is bathed in sunlight while another part is covered in darkness? Why do we wake up to the brightness of morning and go to sleep under the quiet sky of night? The answer lies in one of the most fascinating motions of our planet, its rotation. The alternation of day and night is a simple yet beautiful result of how Earth spins and interacts with sunlight. Globe showing Europe, Africa, the rotating Earth. Earth is a nearly spherical planet that continuously spins around an imaginary line called its axis. This axis runs from the North Pole to the South Pole, slightly tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees from the vertical. One complete rotation of the Earth takes about 24 hours, and this period is what we call a day. As Earth rotates, only half of it faces the sun at any given moment. The side facing the sun experiences daytime, while the opposite side, hidden from the sun's light, experiences nighttime. It's this constant spinning, not the movement of the sun around us, that causes day and night to occur. The role of the sun. The sun is a giant ball of hot gases that emits light and heat. It's the center of our solar system, and all planets, including Earth, revolve around it. However, even though Earth moves around the sun, this orbit is not what gives us day and night. The orbit affects our seasons, while the rotation affects our day and night cycle. When sunlight falls on the Earth, it lights up the half that faces it. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west because of Earth's west-to-east rotation. In reality, the sun isn't moving. We are. As Earth turns, different places come into the light and then move into shadow, creating the illusion of sunrise and sunset. The 24-hour cycle. It takes approximately 24 hours for the Earth to complete one rotation. This 24-hour cycle is divided into day and night. During the day, your part of the Earth faces the sun, receiving direct sunlight that warms the surface. As the Earth continues to rotate, your region slowly moves out of the sun's light, and evening begins. When your location turns completely away from the sun, you experience night. At night, the sun's light cannot reach your area directly, but it's still shining on the other half of the planet. Meanwhile, your side of the world cools down, and darkness allows the stars and moon to appear clearly in the sky. Last quarter moon, the tilt of the Earth. The tilt of Earth's axis also affects how long days and nights last. Because the axis is tilted, different parts of Earth receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, it experiences longer days and shorter nights. This is summer in that region. At the same time, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, experiencing shorter days and longer nights. Their winter. 6 months later, the situation reverses. The tilt of Earth's axis does not change direction, but as the planet orbits around the sun, the side facing the sun changes. This tilting and orbiting create the seasonal variations in daylight and darkness we observe. Sunrise over mountains, sunrise and sunset. The most beautiful moments of the day are sunrise and sunset, transitions between day and night. Sunrise occurs when a region first turns toward the sun. The sunlight has to pass through more of Earth's atmosphere, which scatters shorter wavelengths of light, like blue and violet, and leaves longer wavelengths, like red and orange. This scattering causes the warm, golden colors of dawn. At night, depending on your location and the time of year, you may notice different constellations or phases of the moon. These changes are all related to the Earth's rotation and orbit around the sun. Globe showing Europe, Africa, different lengths of day and night around the world. Not all places on Earth experience day and night in the same way. At the equator, days and nights are nearly equal throughout the year, about 12 hours each. Closer to the poles, the difference becomes more dramatic. During summer, areas inside the Arctic and Antarctic circles can have 24 hours of daylight, called the midnight sun, while in winter, they may experience 24 hours of darkness, called polar night. These extreme variations are once again the result of Earth's axial tilt and how it interacts with sunlight during its orbit around the sun. Telescope historical understanding. Long ago, people believed that the sun moved around the Earth. This idea is known as the geocentric model. Ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Egyptians built calendars and temples aligned with the sun's movements, thinking it revolved around us. It wasn't until Nicholas Copernicus, in the 1500s, proposed the heliocentric model, that the Earth rotates on its axis and revolves around the sun, that scientists began to understand the true nature of day and night. Later, Galileo Galilei used a telescope to confirm this model, revolutionizing astronomy forever. Compass proof of Earth's rotation. There are several ways to prove that the Earth rotates. The Foucault pendulum experiment. When a pendulum swings, its direction appears to change because of Earth's rotation beneath it. Time zones. As Earth rotates, different places face the sun at different times, creating time zones across the world. Satellite observations. Modern satellites can directly record the spinning of Earth from space. All these observations confirm that it's the Earth's rotation, not the sun's movement, that causes day and night. A never-ending cycle. The cycle of day and night is essential for life. It regulates temperature, drives plant photosynthesis, and shapes the sleep patterns of animals and humans. Without this natural rhythm, the Earth would be a vastly different, less habitable planet. Every sunrise marks a new beginning, and every sunset brings rest and renewal. This endless dance of light and darkness has continued for billions of years, a simple rotation that gives rhythm to all life on Earth. Conclusion. Day and night occur because the Earth rotates on its axis, exposing different parts of its surface to the sun's light at different times. The tilt of the Earth and its movement around the sun further influence how long our days and nights last. From the dazzling glow of sunrise to the calm silence of night, this daily cycle reminds us of the beauty and harmony of our planet's motion. So, the next time you watch the sun rise or set, remember, it's not the sun moving around you, but you spinning gently through the universe on our ever-turning world.